Para nis mga mama og papa. Hinaot pa unta og unsa mga gusto nga salida og mugna sa inyong mga anak inyo ning suportahan. Bago siguro mo magdesisyon sa inyong mga kaugalingon, unaha sad intawon ang mga gusto sa inyong mga anak. Labi na gyud kung ikalambo ni nila. Ayaw ipugos ang imong hobbies, ang imong preferences sa imong mga anak or sa imong anak if isa ra ka buok. Unaha ilang side quest. Tagaig pagtagad ang ilang mga hilig. Ayaw ang imong frustrations ihatag sa imong mga anak. Ayaw ipagawas sa imong anak ang imuhang wala na buhat sa una. Kay chances are dili mo pareha sa imuhang anak. Dako kay sa ako ang feeling nako yesterday nga napahuman ako si Tony og GeForce nga performance 101. Yes, dili ka siya super mega big deal, but to me it is. Because na-remember na ako sa una nga akong mga hilig dili suportahan sa akong mamagpapa. Don't get me wrong, kompleto ko tanan. Pero when it comes to what I wanted to do, like my hobbies, like things that I was passionate about, never ko nakakwag-suporta nila because they cannot relate to me. Dili magud ko sporty like my parents. Gipugos ko nila pero dili magud na ako. So same kay Tony, they wanted at first nga si Tony isulod na kog sports. But dili na ko pwede ipugos kay Tony ang isa ka butang nga dili niya feel. Because si Tony, more than anything else, loves to dance. That is his passion. And yes, dili na siya mao ang expected, pero mao na iyang kalipay. And I realized na ako that supporting that means that it has also healed my inner child. Because my inner child carried resentment to my parents nga wala gid sila gisuportahan sa akong mga mugna ug mga salida sa una. I too wanted to be a pop star when I was younger. I knew to dance, but sing dili kaayo, and I got that. I also understood na sa among pamilya ako ang dili gwapa, so siguro wala na nila nakita nga worth it suportahan. Back when I actually also engaged in a sport which was surfing, wasad sila ni suporta. Kang ilang gusto either badminton or tennis. Yung sa taman nga di man gid ko athletic og build. And now I realize that with Tony, whatever his side quests are, I will support him. Kaysa una bitaw, aside sa theater, aside sa dancing, I also was smart enough to participate in the World Model UN. I had ideas. I knew how to write well. And mind you, I did not need AI when I did. I was a balance of so many things. Pero just because wala nakarelate akong parents, I did not get the support. Karon, though wala na ko gi-push si Tony to love dancing, and though I feel in my heart nga dili na pud nako kaya kay tigulang nako, it really felt nice nga si Tony iya tong gibuhat. Proud kaayo ko because as he said, gi-surprise nako siya o gi-enroll nako siya because I know that that was the best thing for him to be taught by the country's best. Because I would have wanted that when I was younger. When I was younger, my parents had more money than me. It would have been nice to be enrolled in something similar. Pero mo lagi na, I got it. Nga, ang akong parents, they did not see the value in what I wanted to do before. Kaysa una, when I wanted to join PBB, they did not support me. In fact, they threatened it if I did it, ma-disown ko. So mo nang wala na lang yun nako siya, pursige. And now I am doing exactly what I wanted to do then on my own. In my own terms, pero bahala nang late. Pero at least, I made peace with that. I made peace that I never got support from my own family. That's why what happened to me before, I don't want it to happen to Tony. So sa mga ginikanan, kung ni-work sa ato sa una nga di ta suportahan sa atong mga parents, we should not do what they did to us, to our children. We owe our children a much better life than what we grew up with. Ako, growing up, ang gibuhat sa ko ang parents ako, they did not support me, and they reminded me of things that I should be insecure about. But I did not carry resentment in that because it fueled me to become the person I am today. Daghan kay ko gi-unpack, daghan kay ko gi-unravel, daghan kay ko na-learn. Pero grateful jud ko because it taught me to be a better person despite not having the support. Na my own family would not clap for me. That's why I stopped expecting other people to. I did what I wanted to do, I focused on what I was good at, and I kept going. But I don't want that for Tony. I want him to be raised with love, I want him to be raised with support, and I want him to feel and know that I am paying attention. That even if we don't agree, because of course, dili man ko same og level og skill set sa kamaayon ni Tony Musayaw, iya hara gyud sad na. Wala na mo siya gi-push, wala na mo siya gipugos, And most of all, dili pud kami ang gatudloan na. We will not take credit. Di sa ko'y nga nakamaayo nga dancer sa una. Pero karon si Tony maog yun iya. He looks at YouTube videos. He does it every day. Aside sa iyang hilig sa cars, hilig yun siya mag-popstar. Unsaon taman, mao man ang iyang gusto. So sa mga ginikanan diha, ayaw ninyo pug sa inyong mga anak sa mga butang nga dili nila gusto. Naman sa mga ginikanan nga bisan way talent ilang anak ipugos jud. Ayaw taon kay ma-frustrate ang inyong anak, mas ma-pressure na noon. Ako with Tony, I just enrolled him and I made him go and I told him that no matter what, para sa ako, it's still a win to be able to dance with the country's best. And yesterday, watching him do it and them asking me what the thought process was, ang ako lang giingon is, as a mom, ang role lang yun nako is to support my son, to pay for his side quests, and to encourage him to be good at every single thing he wants to do. Because that's what I would have wanted from my own parents growing up. Siguro I would have started my career on social media or in media in general had they supported me back in 2016. When I was launched as a TV and radio personality back home, dili sila ingana ka-supportive sa kuha. In fact, sa akong launching, my dad wasn't there because of work. And my mom, sige, pwede na lang kay naaman sa mall and our restaurant was there. And I get that because business people sila. I get that, but at the same time, I also understand that naagi pinalabi sa pamilya and it's also okay. And that's why with Tony, I don't want him to feel that. Walay laing pinalabi kundi si Tony. Tony's dreams or aspirations are my priority. And with dancing, that is his passion. And if it means nga magsunod-sunod Miss G-Force, bisan asa na silang speed, no, we will do it. But at the same time, I want to encourage parents that please focus on your children's dreams and aspirations and passions. Encourage them to focus on these things. Encourage them to do things that will add more endorphins into their bodies. Look at Alex Ayala. Iyang parents, grabe nga suporta sa iya and look where she is now. And that also inspired me to push Tony to do whatever it is that he wants. As long as legal, as long as happy siya, and as long as maka-feel siya nga love nako siya because I showed up. And not just show up. I will cheer loudest, I will clap hardest, and I always will remind him that he is loved. Kay kibalo mo, ang atong mga anak, though we feel that they are extensions of who we are, they are nothing like us. In fact, they are better. Dili enough nga magpakita lang ka. Mas maayo yun nang i-encourage nimo imong anak. Dili nga magpakita ka pero napakay side comments. Magpakita ka pero dili ka enthusiastic. Magpakita ka pero dili nimo i-communicate nga proud ka sa imong anak. Don't do that because that creates a wound in children that they will bring with them when they grow up. Ako grateful lang yun kay ko that all my wounds from my parents I have healed. All of the things that I felt resentment for, I have accepted. And I know that as a mom, I will never do to Tony what my mom has done to me. Actually, not just my mom and dad together. And grateful kaayo ko because na ako'y lolo and lola that supported me. Though not in the same way, kay syempre ni agreement sila sa akong mamagpapa. Nakita man nilang ako mamagpapa dili supportive sa akong gusto, so sila sad. Pero at least they did not discourage me. Sa mga mata sa akong lolog lola, they are my biggest fans. Wagi ko nakadungog sa ilaha og any resentment o wagi ko nakadungog sa ilaha og any side bit. Karon siguro na agamay because again with the influence of my own family. Pero dili naman ko apektahan kay Ginoo ko tiguang nako kaayo. And that is one thing gyud nga I want to share to all the parents watching me. Do not make your children feel that you do not support them because damdamon gyud na nila. Please support your children, bahalag magkalisod mo because that is our role as parents. Magkalisod ta ay pa atong mga anak because ato nang gidesisyonan atong mga anak. They are the priority. What makes them happy, better, enriched, and feeling chosen and loved should be our priority. So ako, it was a win to me because dili kabayaran ang feeling ni Tony gabi nga bahalag kapoy siya, happy siya. And ang bayad niya sa kuha, his great performance, og ang thank you mother. Ingat!